Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can change the Gradle path in Android Studio or in Android Studio. Okay, so actually, why do we need to change the Gradle user home path? Because when we develop any application or when we make any build of application in our IDE, then it creates the Gradle files. Okay, so the by default Gradle files location or path set in our in our C drive. Okay, so let me show you. And why do we need to change it? Because Gradles are take a lot of space or a lot of storage. So that's why our C drive is getting full. Okay, it's uh, it's get full when we build any Flutter or Android. Let me show you. Actually, my C drive is let me show you. It is only 5.1 GB free because the 5 GB is free because I have deleted the many Gradle files. Let me show you where they are stored. So by default in our Android Studio, the Gradle path are in our C drive. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see that the default Gradle user home path is located here. C user yes and a Gradle folder. That's why our C drive is getting full when we use more Android Studio ID and build more applications or execute more applications. So that's why my C drive or your C drive is getting full. Okay. So now we want to change it. So if the issue is why I am making this video, actually I try to change from here. Okay, I try to change from here, but still it is not changing. Let me show you why this is not working and why this doesn't work. So now let me change here. Okay, so let me go here and let me make a folder first. So now if I change this path from here, okay, so this won't work. Let me show you why. So I have changed here and apply this and okay, and now I will delete my C drive Gradle user default Gradle user location, and I am going to delete this, and as you will see that the Gradle will not save on that folder. The Gradle will again save in this folder. That's the issue. I am going to tell you how we can solve it. Okay, so let me show you first. Okay, so you can see here I have deleted the Gradle folder here, and I have changed the path of Gradle folder, Gradle saved for Gradle default location folder for saving the Gradle default location folder. I have changed from here to you can see, but still it will not save Gradle on this location. Let me show you. So now I am again going to execute this application, and you will see the Gradle where they are going to be built. Okay, so I have started now the launching this application, and let me show you where the Gradles are going to be built, or where they are going to be. It is showing Gradle task assemble debug failed. Something is not launching. Okay, okay, it's executing. That's not our issue. Okay, so we're gonna see now we want to see where the Gradles are going to be saved. Okay, so let's check on the default location and then the folder where we have given in this setting. Okay, so you can see the Gradle folder against appear here, and the Gradles are file building here. Okay, C location, C drive, not the where, not here. Let me show you. So I have given this path, but Gradle files not saving here. Let me show you here too. Okay, so you can see this folder is empty. So still the Gradle files are saving on the default location. So this is the issue we need to solve here, and I am going to tell you how we can solve it. I saw in many Googles, or I searched on many on Google and everywhere on YouTube, but everyone is saving like that, but this won't work. This is not working. So I have figured out how we can change it. Okay, so now let me tell you how we can change it. Okay, so for this, let me okay here, and okay, so let me run this application first. What happened in this application? Let me fix this application 1 second. Just a second. I am just setting this application up. So this will run and make the all Gradle files in our given storage folder, in our given the Gradle storage folder. Okay, so now the issue is solved. Now we can, okay, let's still get dependency. Okay, so now it will solve the issue, and it will be, now our application will be run. Okay, so this is not our task. Okay, so our task is to setting up the Gradle default Gradle user home path. Okay, so for that we will do some changes in our system. Okay, so let's follow now. So you can first, you have to open your environment variable, and there you have to change the Gradle user, and here you have to add a, what we call it, environment path or something like that. I forgot. Okay, so here we have to add a new variable and give there a path. Okay, so the variable name we will use, we are in Gradle user, Gradle user home. Okay, and here we have to give the location where do we want to save our Gradle files. So we will give here the location where we have made the folder. So copy this and paste here, and now our all Gradle files will be saved here. Okay, now click on OK. Okay. So now we will execute any application. So let me show you what it is saving or not. So I'm going to delete this socket error. Okay, actually my net connection is not. What the problem? Okay, we see that we will see that later. Okay, but we have to show you how. Once you can let me fix it, then okay. Okay, so now we will check our Gradle paths are working or not. Okay, so you don't need to do this all, because this I am doing because this issue. Okay, so you just have to change the Gradle path from here, and then you have to make changes in your variable. I have shown you already. Sorry, this one. Okay, so here we made a Gradle user home this, and define a variable like that, and save and paste in your location of the Gradle where do you want to save. Okay, then okay, and now our all Gradle files will be saved in this location. So okay, so let's check now. Okay, so now we will check our Gradle files are saving or not. So let me clear again our default Gradle location. See you here. Yes, and now again I'm going to delete this folder. Okay, so I have deleted that, and now I will run the application and see where are our Gradle files saving. Click on run, and now we will see. Okay, so it's launching now and running Gradle tasks. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, so first we will check our C drive, the default location, and then our given path. Okay, so here you can see again I think the Gradle files are saving here, but I have changed from here. Let me see. Gradle user home. Gradle I have given here. Okay, maybe I have to restart my system or computer. Not computer, actually, 1 second. Right now it's not working, so we need to do some changes. Okay, so stop this now, and again delete this folder, delete from recycle window. Okay, so we will delete it from there. Now back in our Android Studio, and it's defined. Okay, and go in setting, invalidate sketch and delete this all. So we have to for it. Okay, so now that the Android Studio have restarted successfully, and now we will check again where are our Gradle files saving. Okay, so let me. Okay, so let's check the background process is running here. I think so. I have to wait for a bit to run this application. Okay, so wait for a bit. Okay, so background task is completed now. So now we will run our application again and we will see where are our Gradle files saving. Okay, on which location. So run again. Let's see where the Gradle files are building. First, we will see in our default location C drive. Okay, so here again it's building. I think that's not working here for some reason. I don't know why. I think I have to restart my system. Okay, so let's restart our system and see if it is work or not. Okay, so after restarted the video, sorry, the my PC, and now I am checking this, and now it is working. So guys, you have to also restart your PC after making these settings or changes in your system. Then it will work. Okay. Now let me show you this showing of colors. So I will stop this first and delete the Gradle files from here, the location where we put the location where we decided to save our Gradle files instead of saving. Okay, so I will delete the Gradle files from here, the location which I gave for saving my Gradle files. So I'm going to delete this all for showing you. Okay, and I am showing you in C drive. This is also there is no Gradle folder or creating or coming self. Now it will not be. Okay, so our Gradle home user path is saved for other drive or other location. So now it will not cause our C drive is full. Okay, so this can be less. Okay, so I mean this can be so there. So this can be this can be good. There is no need for taking the space for saving the Gradle files. Okay, so let me show you now. Okay, so let me show you where our Gradle file is storing. Okay, so let me okay, let's delete this first one. Okay, so now it have deleted, and now we go there in our that path. Okay, so now you can see here in our F drive Gradle folder there are no Gradle files right now, and on our C drive user, yes, and here also there is no Gradle folder. Okay, so now we will see where our Gradle files will be saving now. Okay, so now let's click on run and see. Okay, so now let me show you. So if you go in our C drive folder, you can see there is no Gradle folder upcoming or popping up again. Okay, so now the path have changed successfully to other location. Okay, so now if we go in our change path of Gradle location in drive F and in Gradle folder, now see the Gradle files are building here. Okay, so this is how you can change the Android Studio Gradle files to your home default location. Okay, and you can save your Gradle files in your any other drive, and you will be good with your C drive. So C drive will not be get full because by default the Android Studio ID, the Gradle your home saved path is C drive. So now it will be okay. So now you can build or develop or execute your Flutter app without worrying about your C drive getting full or get full. Okay, so this is the purpose. I try to find in many YouTube tutorials to this setting, but none of them was working. So that's why I made this tutorial for all other every people can take benefit or help from this video. Okay, okay. So for now, it's okay. Goodbye.